This lipstick I actually really love. I mean, it does transfer, it gets all over your teeth. Well, at least my teeth. You might be way cooler than me and you might never get lipstick on your teeth. Me, on the other hand, all the time. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is my Ipsy unboxing, and I am trying on 3 items. 2 of the items are actually going in a giveaway. Let me go over Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Actually, this month they sent everything in a pouch, which was actually really nice because I love these things. I use these for everything around the house, more so than the little pouches that they normally give us. By the way, if you guys are interested, I did not get a palette this month, so this eyeshadow is done with the Rose Period palette by Suva Beauty. It is a really beautiful, it's kind of like Huda Beauty, the new nudes, and I went in with Stila Kitten Karma for this glitter action going on. And blush, I actually went in with Tarte Double Duty Beauty, and I went in with the shade Live Here. So everything else I went ahead and used on my eye. I'm not wearing fake lashes. As a matter of fact, I'm not even wearing black mascara. I'm wearing Brownie Points from ColourPop, which is a brown mascara, for just a simple, easy, natural, everyday look, because I'm going out and about after this. So, moving on. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month. And you normally get 5 full-size items, sometimes a luxury travel size item. They also have this cool option where you can go and grab products that are on sale. This one is Save the Date, 9/1 and 9/3. You can choose 3 of your 5 full-size faves from a made-for-you assortment of products that match your profile, and you can add on up to 8 additional products. So, it didn't come with a pamphlet telling me how much everything was, and even looking on my phone here, it gives me the product, and when I click on the product, it still won't give me the price of the product. So, I'm just going to go ahead and go over this and just show you guys what I got. I can't figure out where to find the prices of these. Like, these for instance, I click on it, and it's not telling me the price of the item, so I don't know. Check in the description, I might find it later, but for now we're just gonna quickly go over what I got. So I did get Lovecraft Beauty highlighter palette in Aurora and Borealis, and this was one of the items that I tried on for you. It is really, really beautiful. I was very impressed. Next is Complex Culture Plush Powder Brush. I am going to be putting this in a giveaway because I have way too many powder brushes. I don't need another one ever again. And it looks like it's really big and fluffy. I'm not going to take it out of this protective thing because I'm just going to put it in a giveaway. But it looks like it's a massive powder brush. And I have a very tiny face. I need tiny powder brushes. My actual favorite powder brush ever in existence is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe JH07. This is my absolute favorite powder brush ever. I love this thing. It's tiny, it's got the most awesome angle on it, and I can push powders into my skin. So this is my powder brush. The next thing is Huda Beauty Demi Matte Liquid Lipstick in Shiro, and I was super impressed with this lipstick because I've never tried this lipstick formula before, and I absolutely love it. Although, if there is lipstick on my teeth, that was one of the things that I had an issue with. The next thing is Triple Skin Cryo ATP Sports Booster, and this is supposed to mimic the effect of extreme cold on the skin, and this booster contains cellular energy ATP to encourage optimized cell function. So it'll leave you tightened, toned, refined, and have a reinvigorated complexion. So I think this is something that I'll have to use for an extended period of time to see the results. But after one use, I mean, there's my face. Do I look reinvigorated? The next is Beauty For Real Shadow Sticks 24/7 Eyeshadow Duo in Midnight and, is that Marathon? Can't really see because it's, what's going on? Oh, Midnight Marathon and Ever Starstruck. Okay, I got that. I got it now. I got it. And there is some, I am going to put these in a giveaway, by the way. What is this? It's a pencil sharpener on the bottom. That's awesome. Well, anyways, so there you go. 2 shadow sticks are going in a future giveaway that have built-in pencil sharpeners. Very innovative. So I did not use these, but, you know, some lucky person will get these because I don't think I'll ever use them. So check the description. I'm going to try and figure out where to find the prices for these because on my phone they're not showing the prices for them. So I'm going to try and figure out how much this box is worth. But that is what I got in this box. If you guys want to see me try a few things on, then just keep watching. So I'm going to start with this 3 skin or triple skin Cryo ATP Sports Booster. So let's see, it says 1 to 2 drops with moisturizer or on clean skin. So I'm just going to go ahead and put 2 drops. And wow, that's potent. Wow, that smells really strong. Holy cow, that is fragranced. I mean, wow, that is really, really strong smelling. That dried real fast. I didn't even get it over my forehead, so maybe I'll put it with my moisturizer next time. Okay, so now I'm going to try this Huda Beauty Demi Matte, and this is in the color Shiro. And yeah, I think this will look good with this look that I created. So I've actually never tried any of Huda's matte formulas. I have one lipstick from her and it is like a bright purple with lots of glitter, and it's actually a bullet lipstick, so I've never tried, and my nail just popped off. That's great. So let's see how this formula is. This has like a minty feel to it. I kind of like it. I'm gonna wait for this to dry to see how the formula is. So while this is drying, let's go ahead and do the highlighter palette. By the way, this applied beautifully. It's like a thick gloss when it applies, but I'm interested to see how it dries down, and we'll check for transfer. I always like doing that for lipsticks. That's where my nail just popped off, by the way. Great, thanks. So this is the Lovecraft Beauty highlighter palette. Now, Lovecraft Beauty has my absolute favorite ever in the entire world blush palette, and I think I actually also got this in Ipsy. I mean, this color right here and this color, all of these colors are so unique and they're beautiful on my skin tone because I don't really look good in pinks. I look much better in more of these warmer tone shades. Now this one isn't quite warm tone, but it's not like the average pink blush. So I'm excited to see how their highlighter palette is. So the colors are Aurora and Borealis, and it's like a very soft powdery pink here and this really beautiful gold. And actually I think both of these would look really good with this look. I think actually I want to go in with the gold and pop the smallest amount of Aurora right on top. Wow. So this is Borealis. This might be just a tad too dark for me. There is that. It is actually really pretty. I love highlighters. I don't think there's a highlighter that I don't like. Okay, let's go ahead and do Aurora just right on top, right here. Ooh, that is really, really pretty. Just the smallest shine right there. I like that a lot. Alright, I have the highlighter and the lips on, and you know what, they haven't really seemed to dry down. I'm just gonna go in with my coffee real quick. Did it get on my teeth? Yeah, I just got it on my teeth, so there you go. I always have lipstick on my teeth. Oh, yeah. Oh. So, definitely is not transfer proof. Wow. That's a lot of lipstick. Just a quick recap, I won't know how skincare works until I actually use it for a certain amount of time. So 30 days again, but then again, I'm getting like 3 or 4 beauty boxes a month that all have skincare in it, and I have just a box of skincare over there that I need to get through. So who knows when I'll get to this. Although it does sound pretty cool. The highlighter palette is really beautiful. I love Lovecraft Beauty. I love their formula. I love their concepts for their ideas. Like, you know, these highlighters are just really, really beautiful. This lipstick I actually really love. I mean, it does transfer. It gets all over your teeth. Well, at least my teeth. You might be way cooler than me and you might never get lipstick on your teeth. Me, on the other hand, all the time. I love the way it applied. It's super comfortable to wear. It's a really beautiful color. This is the perfect color for me. I love these colors. So yes, I love this. I've never had it. First time I've tried it. I might go get some more after this. I super love this formula actually. But that is just a quick unboxing, small try-on video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you got in your Ipsy bag this month, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! But let me go over Ipsy Glam. And I was super impressed with the lips.